9 golden rules to get inside his mind. Do you want to get inside a man's mind? Do you want to become the person he can't get out of his thoughts? If the answer to this question is yes, then you've clicked on the right video. In this video, we're uncovering the 9 golden rules that will give you a sneak peek into his heart and mind. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Always showcase your best self. You need to present yourself at the best to go inside his mind. But how can you present yourself at your best? Don't worry, I got tips for you. Number 1, be confident. Confidence attracts attention and sends a message that you value yourself, making you a magnet for his attention. Number 2, dress well. You don't need expensive labels. Wear comfortable clothes, boost your confidence, and complement your style. Feeling good about your appearance exudes positive vibes, making you more attractive. Number 3, maintain personal hygiene. Good hygiene shows self-respect and impacts others' perception of you. Fresh breath, clean skin, and neat hair make a big difference. Number 4, treat others kindly. Kindness and respect appeal to everyone universally. Treating him and others courteously creates an atmosphere where he feels appreciated and understood. Number 5, embrace and express your interests. Discussing shared interests or hobbies fosters deeper connections. Mutual interests such as sports, hobbies, or books provide opportunities for bonding. How have you effectively presented your best self when connecting with men? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 2, the mysterious exit. To get inside his mind, use this simple strategy. Be extra friendly and happy when you're together, treating him like a close friend. Show maturity throughout your time together. Then, leave unexpectedly without saying goodbye, sparking his curiosity about your whereabouts and intentions. The goal is to keep him curious. When he texts you, you can either not reply or respond casually the next day, saying you were busy. This mysterious exit shows independence and confidence, which are very attractive traits. Remember, making someone miss you requires balancing interest with mystery, and this technique accomplishes it. Number 3, the intriguing glance. Choose a moment when you share the same space, like at a party or casually hanging out. Ensure you aren't wearing sunglasses and aren't distracted by your phone. Casually catch his eye by making gentle eye contact for a few seconds. Avoid intense staring. Instead, let your eyes meet naturally. After establishing eye contact, slowly and discreetly shift your gaze away as if something else caught your attention. This creates an air of intrigue and mystery. Here's the crucial part. After a brief pause, momentarily bring your gaze back to him, locking eyes again. This second glance conveys interest and self-assurance. Share a small, understated smile when your eyes reconnect. This demonstrates warmth and approachability. Keep doing what you're doing, like talking to friends or having a drink. Maintain that sense of curiosity and mystery. By employing this method, you'll subtly express your interests without appearing too forward. It's an excellent way to ignite his curiosity, making him miss you and feel compelled to learn more about you. Number 4, say his name during conversation. Using someone's name is very important when talking to them. It shows that you know who they are and care about what they say. Saying someone's name makes them feel special and can help improve the conversation. When you say someone's name often, it shows that you're really listening to them and want to know their thoughts. This helps make people feel important and liked. It also makes your talk with them much better, making the person feel closer to you. Using a person's name can make the conversation more personal and like a special secret between you two. This makes both of you feel closer and helps you get along better. Dale Carnegie, a famous writer, said that using people's names during conversation is very important and makes people like you more. But remember not to use someone's name too much in a conversation because it might sound fake or like you're trying too hard. You need to find the right balance when using their name so it doesn't sound weird. Number 5. Approach him with caution and attentiveness. Entering a man's mind can be complicated. It needs careful steps, empathy, and a firm grasp on human psychology. Being cautious and attentive is vital when delving into the male mind. Like all human minds, it has layers of thoughts, feelings, and past experiences waiting to be uncovered. Start by approaching the man with empathy and a genuine desire to connect. This first step is vital as it sets the foundation for exploring his mind. Approach him without judgment or preconceived ideas, making him feel safe and respected, which encourages him to share his thoughts and feelings. Avoid the temptation to press for quick answers or details. Being patient will work in your favor. Men, like everyone else, need time to think about their feelings before they can talk about them. Pushing too forcefully early on may cause them to become defensive and emotionally distant. Instead, let the conversation progress naturally and let him open up at his own speed. This approach ensures that what he shares is authentic and not coerced. Number 6. Selective communication. It's not a simple one-method-fits-all scenario, but there's an awesome trick that really works. Selective communication. By cleverly cutting down on talking with him, you create this compelling mental gap where longing and eagerness can bloom, tapping into that classic human tendency to crave what we can't easily get. At the core of this tactic is the "we fancy what we can't have" concept, an insanely deep-rooted aspect of our nature. Doesn't psychology just love that? It's been researched heaps in psychology, and it forms the basis for loads of marketing and persuasive techniques. In short, when something is hard to come by or seems unattainable, we go all in on wanting it more. Ever wondered why limited edition stuff or VIP experiences set our hearts racing? Now picture the romance scene. This idea can be harnessed to make that man miss you like crazy. So instead of being at his beck and call or bombarding him with messages every day, why not try something new? Making yourself less available helps him notice your absence even more and yearn for you. Number 7. Become his source of positive vibes. Diving into human psychology, particularly when it comes to making those awesome deep connections, is both mind-blowing and gratifying, right? One super-duper way to peek into a guy's mind and create an unbreakable bond is by being his source of positive vibes. We humans, whether we're dudes or dudettes, crave feeling appreciated and applauded. Who doesn't enjoy being told how epic they are or sensing their worth to others? This basic thirst for props and admiration is rooted deep in that mysterious thing we call psyche. Carefully and genuinely wielding this idea, and you've got yourself a mega powerful love glue. Now, the trick is finding that sweet spot, because cheering for your man isn't about drowning him in a sea of fluffy praise and empty high fives. You know what I'm saying? Instead, focus on seeing those real deal qualities, actions, and habits that make your heart go, "aww," in admiration. It's about letting out your true blue fondness for all the fantastic things you spot in your fella. By rolling with this strategy, you'll not only build rock-solid emotional bridges, but also imprint an unshakable memory in his noggin. Number 8. Maintain the enjoyment. Want to dive into a guy's mind and leave an unforgettable impression? Embrace the fun side of life. Keep your interactions light, enjoyable, and maybe even a bit playful. Let's face it, do we really need to make early conversations feel like rocket science? Absolutely not. So focus on making things easy breezy, especially in the beginning stages of your connection. Isn't laughter the best medicine? A hearty chuckle shared between two people can create memories that last a lifetime. For now, let deep, meaningful conversations chillax in the waiting room. They'll find their time to shine later on when your relationship blossoms into engagement or marriage territory. Just imagine looking back on these early days, remembering the laughs and the good times that brought you both closer. Sounds magical, doesn't it? Did you know that men often appreciate simplicity? You don't need an extravagant grand finale after spending quality time together. Trust me, less is more. A simple, "thank you for such an enjoyable day, I had a blast," can work wonders. This short yet powerful remark shows thoughtfulness like sprinkles on an ice cream sundae. Delightful. It lets the man know, without too much mushiness, that your time together genuinely filled you with joy, leaving a lasting and oh-so-sweet impression in his mind. Number 9. A curious tease. Drop him a text like, "Hey, I've got a quick question for you," which is bound to tickle his curiosity. But hey, don't rush when he replies. Do you want to know what to do next? Calm your eager fingers and give it some time. Yep, take a chill pill and let the suspense simmer. Hold off on responding for several hours. I know, it's hard. Trust me, he'll be on his toes wondering about your burning question. And just when he's itching with anticipation for that answer, clever, huh? Casually hit him with an, "oh, never mind." Isn't that playful tactic a giggly little tease? It can ignite intrigue and even some mild frustration in his mind, all while making you stand out as super memorable and enigmatically alluring. So, if you enjoyed this video, remember to press the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.